So, chat, we're going to do more TRE 120 reacts. We're going to look at more cursed train images. Don't know where we left off from, so let's get into it. Wait a minute. I think we stopped at Oh, wait, I think it was this one, yeah.
BWH's. Now, I definitely.
Okay, so this is the Pepsi Can Amtrak Train 90278. This should definitely be on one of the trains here. Looks perfect. Look at that painting. But it's not
I do see this happening in some kind of alternate universe.
The cheesy system on a Southern Pacific train. That don't look good.
Those pretty much work well, especially giving Reading 2101. Now this
Chat. Why are we using British trains? Why are we using British trains? Why? That does not look good on a GEVO.
Absolutely eliminate Britain's loading dates. So
that does not look good on a GEVO.
Better trains.
This definitely... Ooh, look at that painting. This should be good on the Acela Express. But it has the Amtrak at 40 paint scheme. The Phase 5 paint scheme, is that what it is?
Especially not the passenger cars. I can definitely imagine.
Oh, nah.
They had empty express locomotives.
Coaster. MP36PH coaster paint scheme. But this paint scheme is from Metrolink. Coaster would never use an MP36. They had their F59 PHIs, but I think they retired them. Or they still have them.
This definitely would look.
A Penn Central with a CSX paint scheme. Not looking good.
Okay, cool. Heritage. But CSX is not doing so because the last time a Penn Central Heritage unit was made for a freight railroad, things went haywire. This would look.
What is the Brightline doing? And there's Norfolk Southern 6677. Yeah, I'm not gonna say it's 67.
Awesome in real life. And it's been welcomed yet every road vehicle in existence. But, you know.
There's no way CSX would use an F59 PHI. I meant an F59 PH, not a PHI, it's a PH. There's no way CSX would use this from a EX Go Transit TRE looking train.
CSX does try to find replacements for the F40s on their OCS train.
That's an F59.
I can definitely imagine CSX doing this for their OCS train. You know the.
Nah. An F Unit North Star train? Nah, this don't look good at all.
The North Star livery is honestly underrated.
No, it's not underrated. North Star is not. The TRE is better.
My opinion. I could imagine.
The Soo Line 757 and SD70 Ace.
Soo getting some SD70s if they still existed today. You know?
Okay. I'm liking this. Whoa. It's an original Amtrak P32 AC. DM. It's an original P32 AC. I kind of... This is low-key amazing.
I honestly kind of wish
this is low-key amazing, chat. Okay. There's no way Canada would use this. Especially a pantograph, because this can easily break. Or something may strike it and cause this train to catch fire. Just like 204 did. There's no way they would do this.
The rail had an electrified corridor.
The Grand Trunk ES44C4 or AC. This one I kind of like. It has a K5HL. Why though? They only use SD70s, right?
What is better than the actual Grand Trunk Heritage unit? You know,
a Rio Grande Heritage unit from Union Pacific 1989, but it's on a P-42. Why? This does not look good. This does not look good on a P-42.
So if that speed train still existed today, then I can absolutely see them operating P-42s for the speed train.
Okay. This is by far the GOAT. This is by far the GOAT. Amtrak would definitely use a Phase 7 unit on its trains, but they would have to replace all the electrical lines in the pantograph, because we don't want any fires or any pantographs broken. It's just...
It actually seems too far-fetched off, considering the fact that Amtrak is retaking a lot of its equipment into Phase 7.
No way. A Metra F40 PHM3. What in the Sigma?
Don't one of you mention to something?
Okay. Oh. If Metra can use a SD70 Mac, so can Amtrak. But it's a BNSF SD70 Mac scheme. I mean, look at it. There's BNSF 5851, there's Amtrak 1611. Bro.
Would be the Amtrak was more like Metra. This would happen. This weirdly.
I don't know if this is a genset or that one of those DJNO genset trains, RP20 BWD. I don't know.
Kind of does fit. Don't they tell me that this good?
This is a German train. Well, it's not, but it's an American train with a German paint schemed train, DB. No.
I think if DB Cargo had a subsidiary in America, or Canada, or Mexico, I feel like this.
I don't know if Coaster would use something GMO. But this is supposed to be Coaster 5001. And there's 5002 in the background.
Kind of does and doesn't fit on a charger. Is Dina
Like I said, Frisco Gevos.
got off their rears and made heritage units, and I can definitely see this happening. Wouldn't it be awesome if Iowa Interstate
made a
like this? Because I think so. This
Metra P32 AC. Bruh, Metra would never use these. It can't be using a P32.
Speed Money Genesis locomotives genuinely looks awesome.
Wait, this is a
I
Genesis?
also
Oh,
think I may have given some effort to Dave Fulmer's night. Honestly,
okay. Canadian Pacific 8742. It looks alright, but can we question why is the train green and not red? Why?
this scheme would look really cool if Union Pacific applied it to more of its locomotives. I don't know. If this
Okay.
scheme was
An Amtrak, is that an AC44000 CW? I think Amtrak should use one of this, but the Phase 1 unit gets me every time.
a T-32, then we would miss out on the hockey stick. But this still does look nice. Any idea?
What's with the Union Pacific train, that Gevo looking thing? What is that?
How much we should bribe the paint crew to accidentally paint a UP Gevo into this? This just looks like
First off, what in the actual is this? What is this? There's no way.
cool.
Coaster.
This
Amtrak Midwest? What kind of train is this?
First existed at the inception of Amtrak. This is
A Grand Trunk P32 AC? There's no way.
really looks awesome. It's a golf mobile and
Okay, now this looks overrated.
Ohio still existed today, then I can genuinely imagine this team being with the GM&O and going really hard. This goes
Oh my gosh, what is that Canadian Pacific train? I don't know what this kind of locomotive is, but that is kind of.
really hard.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't. A Phase 7 Amtrak paint scheme on a Southern Pacific Daylight Train 4449. It may look cool if Amtrak didn't do this. Well, it's WDTX 1402 who's doing all this.
449 just shows that.
Burlington Northern, what did you do to Union Pacific 844? What in the Sigma did you do? This right here is cursed. Burlington Northern, what did you do? Union Pacific 844, the living legend. I'm sorry this happened to you, but Burlington Northern, what is your problem? What did you do?
An alternate universe. I think I'm.
Ooh. This looks something familiar to Japan's train.
What's this better than the Avalian?
But Burlington Northern, why?
That's currently on the Avalian. Is it the Jeep?
Okay, yeah. This definitely is on Amtrak. This has to be on Amtrak. I literally think Amtrak 507 has one of these. It's a GP38. It's a Jeep train.
Phase 7 livery. I could imagine this happening.
It's a Jeep.
Amtrak also has
It's a Jeep train. Okay, this is one of the new Bombardier Cap cars, but on a Via Rail train, that don't look good. It should be look good on a Go Transit. But TRE should get one of these.
Those things are fit, but what the hell?
Okay, no. Not the F unit on a Via Rail train. There's no way. They need to retire the F units. I don't like them. They're too old. And I even have one.
Also, that Via-Rail standard Charger Venture livery right there, this just looks really cool.
Oh my gosh. No.
For some reason, I think.
Okay, that's right. They would use the GP38. Yes, they would, because if they can use bigger locomotives and use small ones, like, can't they at least have one of a. Yeah.
Metra having these locomotives and using them for both the commuter trains and yard work, much like the P-32s on Amtrak.
Okay, no. This is literally a Australian-German train on a Grand Trunk. What makes it worse is a pantograph with the wires that's gonna catch fire. If the wires come loose, it's gonna end up like 204 in the yard with burns. I hope this don't happen.
These liveries would exactly fit on the Eurospectre, but still nice. I would
That kind of looks good, maybe.
genuinely like to see a Pennsylvania Railroad Heritage unit with this livery. I think
Okay. We had this on a SD70 Ace. Now we got it on a Gevo.
how to imagine this happening if the Rio Grande still existed today, or if the Union Pacific worked with Gevo for their heritage unit. Okay,
Pan Am Railways. An SD70 Mac. Or is it SD75 or an M?
was absolutely slapped that Pan Am had SD70M. This
The Penn Central, but it's on a Norfolk Southern paint scheme.
would look really cool if Penn Central somehow succeeded. If this just looks
SEPTA with an Amtrak. Don't know what kind of locomotive this is, but we don't need the electrical wires. We don't need the pantograph. This is why we don't use electrical trains. DART decided to choose light rail, and these trains are becoming junk. Don't mean to be rude, but they need to get Siemens S70 light rails, something newer than these 1996 light rail trains.
nice. Okay, this on
Okay. Amtrak 161 paint scheme on the SD70 Mac looks goated.
it would look really cool in real life. If Montana Railway
Okay. Pause.
This scheme honestly,
Okay, this keeps going. It keeps going.
this does
A Santa Fe Heritage unit on an Amtrak E32. This is not what I wanted to see. There's no way.
It's weird, but it's still nice.
No, not the F unit. Wait, didn't we already see these? The F unit phase 1 Amtrak. No. You know, I can't do this.